Hey guys, Mike's Motorsports here, and today in this video we're going to be going over a bunch of specialty tools that I've managed to accumulate over the years of being a mechanic. Welcome to the Mike's Motorsports YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button for more automotive content. Number 1 would be this Blue Power made by Cornwell spark plug socket set. This is a complete set, comes with universals, all different sizes, long, short. This kit's around $225, but it will last you a lifetime, and they are magnetic. Number 2, this OTC Leak Down Tester. A tool like this will allow you to pressurize the cylinders, and you'll be able to tell if you have defective rings, defective exhaust or intake valves, a leaking head gasket, or a crack in the block or the head. Very affordable. It's around $80. Link in the description. Number 3, an Allen head set. 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. I've had this set for going on 7 years now. Haven't broken any, haven't lost any. Used them when I was a diesel mechanic. Very nice set. Number 4, Topdon Battery Tester. This tester allows you to read the cold cranking amps of the battery, do alternator tests, and it is able to print out receipts that will show you all the stats of your battery, and it doesn't require any ink. This tester I've had for a while. You could see it's been through some stuff, and this is a great way to make sure that the charging system that controls your ignition, everything like that, is working properly and your battery is healthy. Number 5, Snap-on 48-piece rethreading set. It's fractional and metric. This thing has saved my butt so many times, I can't even believe it. The price on this thing is only around $100. They are warrantyable. Part number RTD48. Like I said, guys, anytime you strip a nut or a bolt, I break this set out, it cleans the threads right up. You don't want to use a tap and die set. That's not the right way to do it. You want to get yourself a kit like this. Number 6, Cornwell Cooling System Pressure Test Set. This allows you to pressurize the cooling system, narrow down any leaks, test radiator caps, head gaskets, etc. Comes with multiple different adapters, and you can add on adapters. I bought this one for Super Duty Ford trucks. Very nice kit. OTC makes a similar one. Number 7, Blue Point Caliper Press. This works really well. Anybody doing brakes, it's really fast. Ratcheting mechanism. The cheap ones, I've had the ratcheting mechanism break on me, and honestly, the Lyle hand style pumps just won't do it sometimes. These things will bind up, they'll get stuck, and you won't be able to press in that piston on the caliper. Number 8, this is an auto fix scan tool. Autel software on this scan tool, fully bi-directional, has a Bluetooth dongle. This thing will pay for itself over and over again. I've had it for years. I'll show you guys a quick demonstration of it at the end of the video. But this runs Autel software. Comes with 2 free years of software updates. As you can see, powered by Autel. This is the AutoFix D1 Lite. Fully bi-directional scan tool. Number 9, Snap-on 3/8 torque wrench. If you're doing anything such as head gaskets, anything that requires torque, flywheels, clutches, cylinder heads, even water pumps, anything to do with timing chains, you want to make sure that you're accurately torquing the bolts, and this torque wrench is able to do foot-pounds, inch-pounds, newton meters, and torque angle. It also has a flex head, and it is amazing. I love breaking out this torque wrench. Every time I use it, I know that my bolts that I'm putting this on are torqued to spec. Can't stress that enough. And finally, guys, number 10 would be this Foxwell TPMS service tool. This allows you to calibrate and reprogram TPMS sensors of all different year makes and models. Has a cable so you can have updates, charger, very handy tool to have. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked some of the products I showed you today. You can visit the link in the description, check out some of these products. I'm going to show you a quick demo of this AutoFix scan tool. This thing is really amazing for the price. It's under $400 for a scan tool, bi-directional, running Autel software. That's an amazing price point. I've had this thing for years. It's got a camera on it. It's just a really, really good scan tool. Like I said, USB dongle, that's Bluetooth, has the ability to charge the dongle. It also has a flashlight on the end of it, which is very convenient so that you can look for the OBD2 port. For instance, we go into service. You're able to do oil resets, parking brakes, TPMS, battery maintenance systems, brake bleeds, immobilizers, so many different things with this scan tool. It really is helpful to have a live data bi-directional scan tool on hand so that you can start diagnosing cars properly and really start, becoming a technician instead of just a mechanic. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Once again, make sure you click that subscribe button. Links are in the description.